So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So we know that previously we have discussed near the 55 rupees level. So we have discussed what is the best region where we can try to add in this particular stock, and exactly from that particular levels only the stock today has retraced, and you can see it has showed almost 7% positive movement. So we know that previous two trading sessions, the stock has given correction. So at that point of time, many people had many questions. So I personally received many messages that will it continuously go down? Will it go to 40 rupees level? So many people are telling that it will go down in various other channels. So all these questions are raised by many people. So today we'll try to understand what is the future of Subex. And as an investor of Subex, you will also be having certain doubts. So I'll try to clarify each and everything, and we'll see what is the next possible target that can be seen in Subex. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay. So we know that the last two trading sessions, we know that the stock has given correction, and you can see almost 10% current correction was seen within just a span of 2 days. So at that point of time, there were many questions, especially why it is correcting. So why it is falling. So many people could not digest that a stock should correct. So we know that this particular stock has given 750% returns from the levels that we have discussed. You're understanding 750% returns. So that I have discussed in Telegram group also. So if you go a little bit down and if you see the previous trading sessions, how the stock has given movement, you can see continuously, you can see maximum greens only are present. Very few reds. You can see that also only small correction was seen. You can see here 3.7, 3.4. So in that region only the stock has corrected. But when you see the greens, you can see 17.4%, 7.8, 16%. So that much amount of movement also was seen in the stock. So now comes the question, why it is not going continuously upside? So that is the common question that each and everybody has. But try to understand that if any stock is going continuously up, in the same way, it will come down also in the same manner. So let's say a stock is going continuously upside. So again, obviously, we know that operators will also try to book their profit in the same way. And again, it comes down also in that particular manner. But coming to Subex, we know that how well it has declared its quarter results. So many people tell that it has reported loss. So try to check the quarter results. I'm not telling that don't blindly invest in any stock without analyzing the fundamentals. So if you go to the fundamentals also, year on year basis, you may see little decrement. But quarter on quarter, if you compare, you will see very good results have been posted by the company. And also, if you go to the YouTube section of Subex, in that also the management on regular basis, they'll post all the updates regarding company. So we know that recently we have discussed about Hypersense end-to-end basis platform that it has recently launched, and also about artificial intelligence platform. So all these things we have discussed. Okay, and also when it has declared the dividend of 10%, we know recently it has declared the dividend also. So no company declares a dividend for time pass. Only when profit is being reported, so then only they will declare the dividend. So that is what I told in previous videos also. So consistency is present. So that's why I told this particular stock, and I'm not telling that you need to hold for 50, 60 years. It's not like that. So when you feel that you have maximum profit, so let's say 750, 800% return. If it is maximum for you, then try to book it. Simple. I'm not telling that you need to hold for 3000, 4000% returns. It's up to you. It's your mindset. If you feel that you want to exit, exit. Again, if you want to enter, focus on the levels, again give entry. So that is the maximum advice that I can give you, but don't try to, invest in heavy quantity. So that is not at all acceptable, because we can't predict anything. So many people tell operators game, operator stock. So which stock is not operator stock? All the stocks which are in mid cap, small cap, everything is operator. Only large cap stocks they are not easily operated. So only whatever the stock which we are discussing apart from large cap, all are operator stocks only. Okay, understand that. So that's why they give 18%, 20% movement. Again, the correction also happens in the same way. So Subex on regular basis, we have seen very good increment is present in deliveries as well. So that's why it has showed today that movement that we expected in previous videos. So now let's go to technical charts. So hope each and every doubt is clear regarding Subex. So now let's switch over to charts. We'll see how it has given the movement today. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So let's discuss on 1 day chart time frame. So you can see today we have seen a very good, we can say a reversal from the basic support region that I discussed in the previous videos. So clearly I told you, if you want to add for short term or long term, you can focus between 50 and 54 rupees level. So that I've updated in Telegram group also. If you have not joined Telegram, do join there. So from that particular levels only today we have seen some reversal, and you can see it is trading near 55 rupees region. So market again is little volatile. So it may either shift in positive, negative directions, because outside the situation is not looking great, because COVID cases are also increasing, and in Tamil Nadu also they're planning for certain partial lockdown as well. We need to understand all these things. So that time only you need to invest in heavy quantities. So apart from that, if you want to trade in small portions, it is very acceptable that you can trade in small quantities. So as usual, you can see I have drawn a channel. Can you see here? I've drawn a channel here, and you can see the base support level is the 50 rupees level, and you can see the maximum resistance that you can see is near the 60 rupees region. So roughly you can take that as the maximum level. So between these two regions, the stock is expected to trade. Okay, so if it is going below that, you need to know how to keep the stop loss as well, and if it is going above the resistance, you need to see that how you need to place the target as well. Okay, so make sure you're trading between these regions only, that is 50 and 54, and if you want to have an entry, enter between these regions only. Okay, so now coming to the resistance wise, that as usual we have discussed, that is going to be 60 rupees level, and closing above 54 is also very important. So if it does that, then definitely we can expect some very good move, and depending upon the market situation as well. So because stock has already given some very good huge momentum, so any sort of profit booking happens, you need to be little cautious, and you need to trade very cleverly in this particular stock. So next, coming to money flow index, you can see that is near the 69 region. So that is not in overbought region, but it is in the slightly above mid range, but it is suggesting that again it may go to little overbought region depending upon the buying momentum that may be generated in the market. Okay, so if you see in 1 week chart time frame also, you can see the same thing. The stock has given a very good rally from the 20 rupees, 25 rupees region. So there also we have discussed. It is not that I'm discussing at the 50 rupees region. Already I told you 750% returns have already been given. And you can see whenever it goes up, alternatively it comes down, because correction is necessary. No stock goes continuously upside. So that was seen very well. Whenever it goes up, it goes with a very good breakout. So now also it is trying to do something similar to that. So stay focused, stay near the levels. So don't try to invest beyond your limits, keeping heavy quantities. I've seen many people investing even more than 50,000 rupees. So why to risk that much at the higher levels? Clearly I told you, enter between 50 and 54 only in small portions, because it is already a volatile stock. I'm not telling that it is a flat going stock. It is volatile stock. Whether it goes upside or whether it goes downside, it shows the similar momentum. So when stock is that much volatile, you need to trade cautiously, invest in small portions, and you need to hold for a certain period of time. So that would be the best strategy, and I would recommend each and everyone to follow the same thing. Rather than putting entire investment, put only in small quantities. Okay, so these are the levels that I want to discuss, and many questions that many people had regarding Subex. Hope it is clear. So again, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.